Proudly perched on a hill on the outskirts of Maseru stands one of Lesotho's most valuable assets. The Lesotho Sun Hotel and Casino is a complex clad with warm sandstone. It is a symbol of tranquility, serenity, and hospitality.
Lesotho Sun is one of the Mountain Kingdom's oldest and most renowned establishments in Southern Africa. It is a complete entertainment hub with a variety of restaurants that specialize in different cuisines from many countries around the world. Of course, the main attractions are the accommodation and the casino.
Martin, please tell us about the history of Lesotho Sun.
The hotel was opened in 1979 by Her Majesty the Queen, and at that point it was a Hilton hotel, but Sun International took the hotel over in recent years. We have a total of 158 rooms, including 2 presidential suites, which are very popular and used by many dignitaries that we get from overseas.
Tell us about the business market of the hotel.
Basically, our business market is threefold. We have business travel, a lot of businessmen who come through from South Africa. We also have a lot of leisure coming through, and we also do quite a bit of corporate conference business, which we get from the SADC market.
The presidential suite comes with its perks. Look at the view. Tell us more about the refurbishment.
Mapule, we've had a wonderful, exciting time the last few months. We've done a 140 million Maluti upgrade, which included the rooms, conference venues, and the casino. We have actually changed to a totally coinless operation in the casino, and this is something which is actually a first for Lesotho. The conference rooms are also getting a lot more attention now as well, and we are drawing more market from that.
Lesotho Sun is an icon of Maseru. Why?
Well, Lesotho Sun is definitely the place to be. It draws a lot of our punters from across the border as well, and ultimately it is a place to be seen in Maseru.
Lesotho does have world-class accommodation. From where we've been, the presidential suite here at Lesotho Sun, it has one of the most beautiful views ever. You can see basically most of Maseru. The sunset is amazing. The staff is very warm. They're very warm, basically, and they're very accommodating as well. So Lesotho has world-class accommodation, and that's one thing for sure.